Five little ducks woke up one day. Sun was shining, let's go play. They splashed in puddles, ran through grass, quacking loudly as friends walked past. Quack, 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 what a happy sound. Little feet patter all around. Off they go, so bright, so gay. Five little ducks on their way. They found a pond so cool and wide. They dived and splashed from side to side. One chased fish, one found a snail. One little duck rode on a leaf sail. Quack, 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 what a happy sound. Little feet patter all around. Off they go, so bright, so gay. Five little ducks on their way. Then clouds came rolling dark and gray. Wind blew softly, time to stay. Mama duck called, come home to me. They waddled back, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 came first, but one was slow. He stopped to watch the river flow. Mama called once more, come back. He hurried home with a happy quack. Quack, quack, quack. Safe and sound, all 5 ducks are homeward bound. Snuggled warm, the end of day. 5 little ducks came home to stay.